Delicious food, but still healthy because it's contained with blueberry, that's vitamin C and antioxidant. And cacao, chocolate, it's really good to make you relax and also delicious. Everyone, today I will share how to make the muffin of cupcake blueberry. Dag allemaal, vandaag wil ik met jullie delen hoe maak ik cupcakes of een muffin met blauwbessen. Voor volledige informatie bekijk deze video van het begin tot het einde. For all the full information, please watch this video from beginning until the end. And these all the ingredients I will use it for today. Let's start with vanilla sugar like this. Okay, vanilla sugar, vanilla suiker, butter, little bit butter. I don't use it all, just like this. I will show you later. Bak papier for the muffin of cupcakes. Sugar, like this, sugar, and the flour, like this. The flour. 6 pieces of egg, milk, full cream milk, blueberry postbessen, 300 gram blauwbessen, baking powder, bakpoeder, mixer. Okay. Let's get started. First, I will blend the blueberry. Here, add a little bit water in. Okay, like this. And I will add a little bit of sugar. One tablespoon is enough. Okay. Look, it's all mixed. Next, this, the egg. I use 6 egg. 6 egg na. And then vanilla sugar, vanilla sugar. Okay. One. It's about 2 tablespoons. And then sugar. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tablespoons. Okay, and then I will mix it. And then I will like to add the butter. Okay, like this, just more than enough, not too much, huh? Okay, little bit. Okay, and then I will add the milk. Look, this milk. Put little bit salt, just very little salt. Okay, that's more than enough. And then I will put the flour. We'll use a half first. Okay. That's 500 grams. Half of this. Okay. Look. Okay. And then baking powder. Half also. Okay. Just a half. Look. It's more than enough. And then the blueberry. Okay, look. All in. That's it. I will mix it first like this. It's on the oven. 200 degrees. Okay. This one is ready. I will put it in the oven first, and the second time this one. Okay. For 25 minutes. Now I will continue with this one. I will bake this. Put it in an oven. Bake the muffin for 25 minutes. The cupcake of the muffin zal bakken voor 25 minuten. icing. On top I will put chocolate like this and a little bit milk. Like this, you don't need to put it direct like that in the water. Put the water under and this like this. Look, it's ready. Okay, I switch off the oven and then take it out. Like this, and then I will wait. Okay, let's begin. Like this. Beautiful, huh? It's okay, and then I will switch off the oven. Okay, this is it. The second muffin. Jadi ini like this. This with the decoration, the finishing touch. Oh, delicious food, but still healthy because it's contained with blueberry, that's vitamin C and antioxidant. And cacao, chocolate, it's really good to make you relax and also delicious. What you think about my recipe today? Please give me feedback. Any feedback, new ideas, those are welcome. Thank you for watching and hopefully to see you again on my next video. Please take a look to my playlist and please subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Dankjewel voor mijn video bekeken. Voor vandaag. Hopelijk tot volgende keer. Als jullie geïnteresseerd kijken op mijn playlist en alle de feedback of als jullie willen iets vragen, laat me iets weten. Dankjewel allemaal. Fijne dag nog. Dag.